It literally tastes just like it. Wow.
Hi everyone, my name is Desi and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Pea-Not Butter using chickpeas and our peanut butter flavored concentrate from 101 Flavors, along with other complementary flavors from Get Suckered. Let's get started on our Pea-Not Butter. We're going to be using these chickpeas here that I roasted at 380 for about 20 minutes, and we're going to put them into a food processor. This is 1 can of chickpeas. All right, let's get pureeing. So as you can see, the chickpeas have pretty much a fine grain to them right now, but as we keep pureeing, they're gonna start releasing the little bit of oils that they do have, and once they do that, they'll start to solidify, emulsify, and then we'll have a little bit of our peanut butter. But to really make this work and happen, we're going to be adding our concentrate, of course, that's peanut butter flavored, and then a few other complementary oils, and of course, the molasses for sweetness. So let's keep blending. So as you can see, the oils are already starting to semi-emulsify, creating a little bit of a paste at the bottom. If you are familiar with hummus, that's basically what chickpeas blended up and pureed is, but we're definitely going to be making this into a peanut butter with the addition of our flavoring. So let's go ahead and add a few drops of our flavoring. About a dropper full and a half. Let's keep blending. I can see that I have a little bit more room for some chickpeas in here now that I've blended some up. So I'm gonna add these warm ones that I just took out of the oven. All right, and continue blending. Okay, so at this stage, we can see it is getting thicker. These warm chickpeas out of the oven are releasing a little bit of steam, which is helping liquefy the mixture, but now we're gonna be adding in our complementary oils. I'm gonna start off with just some vanilla. About half a dropper full. This is vanilla oil from Get Suckered. And just 2 drops of this almond oil. It is so strong and it's super concentrated. Also from Get Suckered. Yeah, that was like 3. But that's plenty. And then we'll keep blending. I'm gonna scrape down the sides. Smells like peanut butter. Next, I'm gonna stream in, as I'm pureeing, a little bit of our molasses, just a little bit at a time, and I'm gonna stream it in through this hole at the top, just so it kind of wets the sandy mixture that we're at right now. What is that? The molasses, like, clump. All right. Now at this point, you can choose whether or not you want this to be with more of flavoring oil. If you're not gonna add any more flavoring oil though, it's going to be pretty powdery. The oil is what's gonna bring it together. So here you can either add more oil, but to not overpower and make the peanut butter taste too funny, we're going to be adding in just a little bit of vegetable oil or whatever oil that you like. Immediately you could hear it kind of thicken up, so that's a really good sign. Okay, to finish this off, we're just going to do a little bit of salt for our final blend. And get that mixed up. Thanks everyone for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and let us know what else you want to see down in the comments below. That's really good.